So has this ever happened to you? You go to a new restaurant, you don't know what to expect, but you have something on the menu that's totally different than anything you've had before. Well, this happened to me, my gosh, it's probably 25 years ago now. First time I ever went to a PF Chang's, and we had the lettuce wraps. I'd never had anything like that combined that deep Asian flavored meat wrapped in a lettuce leaf. So you had that cold, crisp lettuce against that umami filled meat. It was just, for me, it was kind of a revelation. I mean, heck, I grew up in the Midwest. Everything came on a bun. So today we have a confluence of items that are kind of float around YouTube. One is Cast Iron Wednesday, where people do a lot of cast iron cooking and put their recipes up. And it is SPAMTEMBER. Yes, I know, a totally made up holiday, but I'm going to embrace it because I love Spam when I'm camping. So today we're going to combine Cast Iron Wednesday and SPAMTEMBER, and we're going to make an Asian-inspired Spam lettuce wrap, and we're going to cook that on our cast iron disc that comes with the iCamper Disco. So let's have a look at what the ingredients are for this awesome camping recipe. All right, the first item that we need for any lettuce wrap recipe is some lettuce. We also have a can of Spam, which is just regular Spam. We use the low sodium, and it's magically come pre-diced. We like that. We're also going to use hot honey and chili crisp. And if you don't have those, you can just use regular honey and red pepper flakes. But we like the extra flavor that you get with chili crisp. So you might also want to toss in a little soy sauce and maybe a dab of hoisin sauce if you're not using these two. We also have some minced garlic, minced ginger, some spring onions, some water chestnuts, some oil to cook in, and a lime for finishing, as well as some fresh diced mint and some sesame seeds. So the first order of business, we've got some sesame seeds here, about a tablespoon. We're just going to dry toast those on the grate real quick before we get the Spam going. And this won't take very long. Just want to give them a little bit of extra flavor. You don't want to cook them. You don't want to turn them black. You just want to kind of toast them up a little bit. And as I said, it takes no time at all. Sesame seeds are done. We're going to go ahead and put a little oil on our grill. It's good and hot. We're going to brown up this Spam. I love Spam, but I do not like Spam that's not been crisped up. So we're going to make sure we do that. A little water in it, apparently. So let's just get this going and brown it up. All right, we've got the Spam done. And we are now going to put in some spring onion, garlic, minced ginger, gotta have the ginger. And the ginger has a little water in it, eh? And water chestnuts. And we're just gonna saute these for a couple seconds just to brown them up. All right, let's go ahead and combine everything back together now. And here is going to be an absolute flavor bomb. If you don't use chili crisp, I recommend you give it a try. Go grab some in your store. There's a ton of different brands. Some are hotter, some are not. They make all kinds, so you might have to find the one you like. But we're going to put in about a teaspoon of chili crisp. And that's going to give this baby a nice zing. And we're also going to put in about a teaspoon of hot honey, which is honey with a combination of chilies. And that is going to really make this baby sing. You see it starting to glaze now. That's exactly what we're looking for. You want to coat that Spam. I think this is looking fantastic. And as I said, this is easy. This is pretty much the cooking that you have to do. And at this point, we are going to go ahead, we're going to turn our fire off. We're going to add in our toasted sesame seeds, our chopped mint, give that a quick stir. And this, dear friends, is ready to eat. So, let's get this on some lettuce and see how it tastes. All right, we've doubled up our lettuce. We don't want it to break through. This is going to make one fantastic appetizer at camp. So now, we just need to stir a little bit. Each lettuce is not going to hold a lot, so this will feed a lot of people. And there you have it. And to top it off, just going to give it a quick squeeze of lime. And let's see how it tastes. And again, what we're looking for is a little texture, the crispness from the lettuce and the coolness, combined with the, I guess umami is the right word, from the oriental spices and the chili crisp and the meat. So let's see how it tastes. Oh, friends. I've got a little kick, camera lady. This is awesome. This is something that's so easy to make at camp. You could do this in a fry pan easily. You don't need anything like this to do it. Tastes great. Got a kick. So if you're not a spice person, you might hold back on a chili crisp a little bit, but I do recommend using it because it's got soy sauce and that sort of thing in it. It gives it a depth of flavor. But this is fantastic. I think your campmates would love it. So give it a try. Let us know what you think, because this is a winner. Thanks for watching. If you do like this kind of content and seeing recipes like this, please take a moment to hit that sub button in the lower right-hand corner. Give us a thumbs up, comment, let us know what you thought, and share it with your like-minded friends. And as always, take care, and we'll see you outdoors.